Hello friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make your very own power bank, like the one here, to charge your phone when you're not at home or near a plug. Let's get into the video. So friends, let me first explain what a power bank is. A power bank is a portable battery-powered device for charging the battery of your phone or other electronic devices. Which means basically we are trying to make batteries power or charge your phone when you're not near a plug or can't find electricity. That should be simple, right? Let's try to build it. So the parts you'll be needing for this project are the car charger shown up here. Well, you don't need that, you need the circuit inside it shown up here again. Then you need 4 of these lithium ion batteries. Then you need 4 pack lithium battery holder and a switch, and lastly a wire that can connect to your phone. Here this is a 3-in-1 connector, which means you have micro USB right here, which can be connecting to USB-C, or if you want to charge your Apple phone, that's right here. Now let me show you what the circuit diagram is. Alright friends, as you can see, the circuit diagram is up on screen. So basically you want to connect your 4 batteries in series and then have the positive and negative wire going to the back of the board. From the front, either you will have a USB port, but if you don't, you will see 3 pins. It will be positive, negative, and then S for signal. You can solder those wires in, and then you will have pulling out 3 wires, and then that can be connected into any USB wire, and your power bank should be ready. Now let's test mine. Now for the case, I 3D printed my case, so it's easier for me, and I even 3D printed the lid. But it's your choice how you want to make your case. You can either buy a box or something. Onto the build montage. I don't think that's the correct type of printing. I have my circuit all wired up. Circuit that is converting about 12 volts to 5 volts with the signal wire. Here's my switch right here. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I see a light, which is a good sign. Now I close this thing up with the lid that I've also 3D printed. So I close it up. Here's my wire. Then I'm pressing one USB-C phone. So I'll just plug in the USB-C. Okay, and then I'm going to plug it in. There you are. Charging.